Hey everyone, welcome back to Papa's Workshop. Today I want to give you an update on the status of my saw. I want to be able to save this Powermatic saw, but it's becoming a challenge because so far I have not been able to secure a motor. Now I have reached out to several different manufacturers and no one has this motor in stock. Now this motor is actually made in Taiwan and apparently there's not a lot shipping. Everybody keeps giving me different dates. October 14th was the first date that was given to me that the motors would be in stock. And then it was October 17th. Now it's November 1st. And so far, none of the suppliers that I have reached out to have been able to get a motor in stock. So what I'm going to do is ask for help from the YouTube community. I have some of the most wonderful subscribers in the whole entire world. And what I want to do is reach out to you and see if you can help me find a motor for this Powermatic table saw. This is a picture of one of the vendors that I had reached out to that has the part number, the price, all the information. Unfortunately, this motor is still not available. So I would appreciate all the help that you guys can give me in locating a motor such as this. Now what I'm going to do is give you the part number. The part number for this motor is 6472028. I'm also going to put that right down here in the bottom of the picture as well as in the description. In addition to that, I'm going to include a picture of the data plate of the old motor so that you can see the frame and everything that you need to know about the motor. This is the data plate that's actually on the motor so that you can see the frame, you can see the specifications, and all the information needed to be able to obtain a new motor. So as you can see, this is a 3-horse, 230 volt, 15 amp, one-phase motor. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So if any of you can help me find and to be able to secure a motor for this table saw and help save this table saw so it doesn't end up in the junk pile, I would love to be able to get your help. This table saw actually has a lot of memories, and of course I would love to be able to save the saw. Unfortunately, if I cannot get a motor for this saw, I'm going to have to dump this and be able to get a brand new table saw. So I appreciate any and all help that you guys can give to me, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comments below. Also, you can reach out directly to me. I have the email in the description, and you can reach out to me there as well. So hopefully, I'll be able to hear from you guys and be able to find a motor that I can get onto this saw and get it back into operation. So I appreciate your efforts in advance, and I thank each and every one of you for all that you do and the support that you give me into this channel. So I just wanted to give a real quick update on the status of what it's taking to be able to save this saw. I already have all the different parts that I need to be able to put it back together except the motor. So with your help, hopefully we'll be able to find a new motor for this saw and get it back into the operation. So thanks a lot for watching this real short video. Thanks a lot for being able to help out and find a motor for me. And I look forward to hearing from all of you. So for now, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone.